Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Diana Bogueva, and I'm the president of Global Harmonization Initiative, or shortly GHI. Please allow me in the next few minutes to present GHI to all of you. GHI is a non-profit, impartial organization comprising of network of individual scientists from across industry and academia, all collaborating to harmonize global food safety regulations and legislation based on sound science. Founded in 2004 as a joint activity between the Institute of Food Technologies, the International Division, and the European Federation of Food Science and Technology, GHI initially started with a handful of enthusiastic scientists. Today, we have more than 1,500 individual members, all impartial and independent food scientists, with 100 ambassadors spanning across 65 countries in 5 continents. And GHI overarching mission, as you can see here, is to achieve consensus on the scientific foundations underlying food regulation and legislation, ultimately ensuring the global availability of safe and wholesome food products to all consumers. We are very proud of our working groups. Soon there will be 20 with this new edition of Safe Water and Food Security. All of the groups collect and evaluate scientific evidence, assess existing law and regulation, and looking for potential for harmonizations. And they're creating consensus documents, white papers, participating in webinars, writing books, and many more. We have many projects that participate. One highly successful project is a GHI whistleblower food safety incident report site. This website is available in over 35 languages and aim to assist anyone working in the food industry worldwide in reporting serious food safety incidents anonymously without the risk of being identified. The platform actually ensures anonymity, as whistleblowers cannot be traced, and is designed to be the last resource, used only if management of the company to be reported because of malicious practices. They has not addressed concerns despite previous attempt to communicate them from the whistleblowers. GHI has numerous whistleblowers report across the world, including the sites, and this shows that the site is really well perceived. Some of the other projects you can see is the GHI Food Safety Clubs initiative starting across Africa. First in Nigeria, first club opened this year in February in the federal government girls' college Nkwele Azunaka Onitsha in Nigeria. And this is a very important first step for GHI. And we're expecting soon to have other food clubs open. We're in preparation for this to happen in Democratic Republic of Congo, in South Africa, Lebanon, and Mexico. These clubs actually aims to foster a greater understanding of food safety and other food-related issues among school children, nurturing future food scientists. The clubs is utilizing the GHI developed specifically for the need of the club activity, a food safety proficiency curriculum, which we believe will help us achieve the goals of educating school children about food safety and security effectively. You can see on the screen members of food safety clubs in the federal government girls' college in Nigeria with their management and principals supporting the club's activities. Another project very important for GHI is a Safe Cassava project, which involves a GHI project team established to test the best way to remove linamarin using rice, which is present in high concentration in cassava leaves. The aim of the Safe Cassava project is for GHI to develop visual and verbal training materials for cassava consumers to use at home and be safe with their consumption of cassava. Another very important project is the Safe Water Working Group projects. This is the newly established working group So we know that water scarcity is a really pressing issues around every continent, and several factors contributes to this water scarcity, including surpassing water demand, inadequate water infrastructure, and institutions struggling to meet everyone's needs. Currently, we have 1.2 billion people, nearly 1/5 of the global population, which lives in area experiencing physical scarcity of water. We have 785 million people who lack access to clean drinking water, primarily due to insufficient or contaminated water supplies. Additionally, approximately 1.6 billion people, nearly 1/4 of the world population, face economic water shortage due to inadequate infrastructure for accessing water from rivers and other water sources. There is a large area in the world where water is not sufficiently available. And because of this, GHI is collaborating with a technology inventor to extract safe drinking water from the air. And we are intending to use this technology and test it, particularly in regions where water availability is scarce and or contaminated and not safe to drink or cook with. And GHI is very, very happy that it's embarking on this inspiring project journey aiming to address the pressing water scarcity issue in the world. GHI also collaborate with many publishers for their specialized food safety and related field books. So we have nutritional health ethnic food series. You can see some of them display on the screen with Nordic countries, South Asia, Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Balkans. Few more are coming with Oceania and Asia. You can see specific books that are related to some of the working groups. This one of the ethics in food safety practices. And you see a list here with many, many books. And also another upcoming book is the Consumer Perception Working Group Book Project, which is namely Consumer Perception and Food, and is going to be published this year by Springer. We are all looking forward to our upcoming Global Harmonization Congress, and we would like to welcome all of you to join us on the 25th to 27th of June 2025 to connect food security, safety, health, and sustainability, all the challenges ahead. And we hope you're all prepared for these challenges and are happy to share all of your research with us during the Congress. Thank you for your attention. Thanks.